Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. We're here. All right. So this is gonna be like a really quick stream. It's gonna be really, really quick. But I am working on stuff today. I'll be streaming later on tonight as well, but you know. So it goes. I am actually watching something else on my other computer right now. You know, trying to get into that flow state because I do need to finish this before the jam is over. So, hyper focus, not the greatest for my my mental state. Ooh, where is it? Yeah. Alright, so give me 1 sec. Not gonna be much talking today. Hello, hello, Needle Mouse. Hello, hello. Did you see the, oh, I saw that you saw the FNF thing. I pinged you on in Discord. Are you feeling an urge to learn Godot again after seeing that? I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm just poking fun. Where is it? I am. Yeah. I can read you like a book. I know it makes you tick. Yeah, but also somewhat amusingly, I remember when you first came into the stream, you were talking about making a basically like an art program, a free and open source art program. Check it out. I have accidentally made one of those. I did not intend for it to become like this, but look at that. It's pixel whatever. I'm still working on undo redo, but the framework is there. I just need to implement that, have a little bit of the, you know, being able to see your brush before you put it down, and then layers. So all those things are actually there. I just need to like implement it. And also, check this out. It works for arbitrarily large sizes. So we go to 800, 800. It's a little ugly right now, but don't worry about it. Oh, it's so slow though. It gets really slow at bigger sizes. Ooh. I can feel that processor purr. I'm learning some more C. Not for game development. I'm going to join robotics in my school right now. In high school, I'm going to do some more robotics and programming and software development. Very nice. Very nice. Does robotics use C? I suppose if you're doing like real robotics club, not like the Lego Mindstorm stuff. Nothing wrong with Lego Mindstorm. Ooh, that is slow. Oh, okay. It works for arbitrarily large things, but yeah, I was in robotics as well, but I was more on the builder side. Doesn't the robotics thing, don't they actually just use like Python or something? I don't remember them using C, but maybe they do use C. Maybe they're using like Arduinos. Arduino. Yeah, but I'm not going to be as talkative this stream, mostly because I'm just listening to other stuff on my other computer. Because I'm trying to get this done somewhere now. Trying to get this done and I'm not sure what I'm doing. I love robotics, but I'm both scared. Both scared? Both scared and what? Oh geez. Unable to save image. Hit? Where? Oh, this isn't dummy. Oh, right. There we go. I think robotics is nice if you like actually seeing things happen, which is I guess obvious, but not to everyone. Because from the technology of today, we could have a darn robot revolution. Those darn robots are taking my jobs. And I suppose we're already in the robot revolution, by the way. Depending on what you define as robot. Are you talking about automation? Or are you talking about like actual moving robots that do stuff in reality? Because the answer is yes to both. Like I work in automation, so my job is to replace system admins, and not even system admins, just like DevOps. I also replace those guys. Actual moving robots, yeah. So like you might be familiar with like the robotic arms that you see in like factories and stuff. I mean, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now, are you talking about like a robot revolution a la like Terminator and Skynet? Maybe the Matrix, if you will? I think that's fairly unlikely. You know? Like we've already undergone the robot revolution. You know, planes fly themselves now, right? It's called autopilot, sweetie. Look it up, you know. It's nothing to be scared about, as long as you trust our corporate overlords not to screw us over. Yeah. I think the robot revolution is like a kind of an unfounded fear. that corporations are more into, right? Because ultimately, you know, the ones that are putting software into robots are the corporations. So they have a financial incentive to make you, you know, oh no, it's the robots and not the software that the corporations are putting on the robots. Someone doesn't might call the FBI on us and call it a prank. I mean, that is like a very real thing, right? Like, have you ever noticed that when you talk about, if you have an Android phone, right? Or even like a Google Home or whatever they call it now, Nest Home. If you start talking about like, oh, you know, I'm really into skateboarding now, and then suddenly a lot of your Google search results, a lot of the Google ads that you'll get will be like, oh, look at this neat skateboard. Wouldn't you want a skateboard? And it's like, not really, but I get it. Last action data. So I think we're a little too far along to like back out now. In terms of like, you know, robot revolution and all that. All you can really do is, you know, that's why privacy is so important. That's why people, you know, are rabid about privacy. It's like, oh no, they have too much data on this. You know, what are we gonna do? You know? The less information that corporations have about you, honestly, the better. You know, especially if you're afraid of the robot revolution. You know, the robot revolution starts with software, not hardware. So remember wanting to do an art program first, good times. Yeah. But check it out, I made an art program. I said I wasn't going to make one, and here we are. And so the idea is that it's mostly for pixel art. I would need to optimize it if I want to do like bigger things. I would probably need to rewrite some parts of this in Rust or C++. But the cool part is because it's integrated, it has deep integration with Godot, right? Because these are just like Godot things. You could create animations using this and then just be able to play it back in the editor in real time. And that would be cool, wouldn't it? That would be neat. That would be neat. At least I think it would be. Making Godot Maker 4? Godot Maker? Absolutely not. I'm gonna get myself more coffee, BRB. We're back. So I'm just changing the video. It's under redo. I need to have a This is tough. This is tough. Add to undo redo. Okay, so I already have this. Oh, this is undo redo. Your boy is struggling. How do what would I do for undo redo? So that we have last action data, and then like undo redo data, undo redo payload. Yes. To undo redo. So whenever we what am I supposed to do? So I need some way to like programmatically do this. Do method, undo method. And then there's target node. I think I'm only going to be using these three bits and then commit action afterwards. Yeah, so it's create action, this undo redo stuff. Undo redo payload. This is just a struct, more or less. So far, let's see. Action name. All this stuff needs to be initted at runtime. So do method. So then var do caller, which is a something. Some sort of object at the very least, or some sort of reference at the very least. Actually, that's not true. Some sort of object. Then this is undo caller. Usually the same thing as object, but not always. I've also done some more devlogs with Godot. I feel like I like using it more and more. You've then some more devlogs? You've read some more devlogs with Godot? I'm glad that the FNF devlog has swayed your sensibilities once again. To undo redo. What am I doing here? Why am I creating this payload? I feel like I should be able to just do add to like undo redo and just do the same thing, except with var args, I suppose. I guess that's what I'm doing, huh? Create one of these. So this will be data, action name. Undo redo. Add do method. I'm not sure. I guess this is good. I'm not, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll create one of these, just kind of like slowly put it together. Like so, and then we'll just manually commit it as well. So then undo, redo, commit, I guess, or commit action. I might as well try to make one. 3D and 2D mix has always interested me. Well, luckily for you, that's pretty easy to do in Godot. You know, you can just have sprites billboarded onto in 3D space. Project Heartbeat. Project Heartbeat. Or is it Heartbreak? Yeah. Heartbeat. Isn't it? No. Game. Heartbeat, yeah, okay. I swear I've seen this guy recently on Discord. There's me. Stream notification. Who was it? It was someone in animation. Maybe I shouldn't like give out their Discord, but I'm sure you could find them anyways. I'm starting to get distracted again, even though I said I wasn't gonna talk. Hold on. Just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling. Somewhere. Most of this discussion is about VRM models. Some of this is about MMD, which Project Heartbeat is trying to add support for. Oh, hello, Rose Ninja. Hello, hello, hello. It's a shorter stream, mostly because I don't usually stream in the middle of the day. But I am trying to work on stuff. Where is it? Is it one of the pins? No. I don't know. It's somewhere. We'll figure it out. I can find them later. How's the dev going? It's going somewhat poorly, but we're getting there. It's gonna be a quieter stream anyways, because I'm actually watching like just random YouTube videos on my other computer. Because I'm trying to get into that flow state. But here's where we're at, right? So you can click on stuff, you can draw. Here's your save stuff, but you don't need to use it, right? And then you can load in images as well. I guess this load file needs to be. This is a bug. Let's see. Yeah, so we can load in just random stuff. Look at that. It just works. And then it also works in the editor, so check this out. So we start you out with just a blank white square, but if you want to do this, look at that. There's our potato. I've been just drawing on it. Right? We can hit it with a save. Go to something else, go back to the potato. Wow, look at that. Look at that integration. You can just click on something, edit it in the editor, hit it with a save, and then you're good to go. So if you need like a really quick sprite edit, it will just work. And then, I mean, if you want to break all rules of pixel art, you can also use opacity. Look at that. And then for whatever reason, like this is fairly fast on, oh, now it's a lot slower. Oh geez, now this is way slower. There's no undo redo, which is what I'm trying to implement right now. I just heard my processor spin up. Yeah, using brushes bigger, or yeah, a brush size, a tool size of greater than like 64 seems to be really, really slow. Yeah, but Now you can unload, reload it. Look at that. It's beautiful. And we're also successfully cleaning up all the data as well. Wow. Oh, this is what I need to do. File path. This thing. File path. Any fun bug popped up yet? No fun bugs. It's mostly just all painful bugs. There's lots of fancy math that needs to happen. Right? So we have... Like, look at this. Look at this. If we want to move the canvas, because I need this to work as both an in-editor plugin as well as a, standalone. I can't use a camera to handle, I can't use a camera in order to move this around and properly scale things up and down, right? So like, look at this calculation. Where is it? Where is the calculation? Look at that. Oh, baby. Look at that. Viewport, get mouse position, half viewport size, plus half viewport size, minus viewport transform origin, all divided by the canvas transform scale. Ooh. Ooh. Let me tell you, that was painful. That was a painful one to figure out. So, otherwise, it's mostly just pretty routine stuff. You can see that I'm almost doing a Golang style, or doing Golang style error handling. So everything returns an error code, and then I'm just handling them like that. So it's tough. It's tough. Fancy math is just math. It's how bad. Thinks it's better than you. Well, to be fair, most math is better than me. I'm just, I exist in meat space. Math exists in abstract space. So in a way, I suppose it is better than me. How can I compete with meat space? Riddle me this. Alright, let's do this. I did fix something, so I need to... So loading stuff, yeah. So now you cannot just click on stuff. So then we're avoiding an error. Oh baby, bug fixes. That's not a very exciting bug, but that's okay. Get status. Oh, I think I accidentally committed stuff I shouldn't have. Oh no. Git log. What was? Oh no. Okay. How do I undo the last commit in Git? Git commit or Git undo last commit. Yes, but we want to keep changes. Git reset head all. Git reset head caret. What's the caret character? 6. Please don't undo my changes. Oh baby, okay. Alright, good. I'm not going to be talking too much. It's mostly like a focus stream. It does make me a bit nervous not to talk though, but... Blit from data. Action data pointer, action data, last action data. So how do I... I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I might not want this part. I might just want to do this manually. Oh no. That's tough. Cause I need to integrate in with undo redo. So undo redo has a very specific way of working, and that's not how I imagined undo redo would work. What am I missing? Broke something. Ooh. What did I do? So I don't want this to create anything. I just want to create the blit data. Yeah. So if we're drawing, we want to blit, just standard true. And then here, if we detect a button left event, if it's button down, then it's going to be true. If it's button up, it's going to be false, and then false, we want to stop blitting, and we actually want to commit our blitz. So we don't actually blit straight to the image here. We don't actually commit straight to the blit, but we do want to grab blit data. I gotta think. I gotta think. I gotta use the restroom again. The coffee, it's run right through me, BRB. back. Well. I'm thinking about this. So I think I have a thing called last action data. Last action data contains blit data, so I can add stuff to the blit. I could store the new color data and then the old color data. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I'm not even using color data. Now I'm thinking about it, I don't even use it. So that's okay. This is new color data, and then this will be old color data, obviously. We will do for vac in blit dot position data. Grab the underlying pixel color. All right, and then now we can store the color data. The color data will just be stored by index. So the position data will map 1-to-1 or index to new color data and old color data. It's a bit inefficient, but it'll work. Blend it with the primary color. In the future, I'll need to have some way of, you know, left click does primary, right click does secondary. I think that makes sense. Blend returns a color. Okay, it doesn't work in place. And then here, this needs to be add intermediate blit operations. I think if I was to spin this off into its own application, this would be the primary thing to work on. Well, primary thing to work in, and also the primary thing to like convert into the C++ code. Action data. Oh. Last action data. This doesn't have an init. Oh, hello, Rogue Nation. Hello, hello. Streaming early today. Yeah, it's going to be a quieter stream, as noted in the stream title. So I'm watching YouTube videos on my other computer here, and that I usually use for monitoring the stream. Because check this out. Actually, I can't show you right now because I'm currently rewriting how the pixel art editor draws to the canvas, but it does work for a single layer. But now I need to rework how everything draws because I didn't realize undo redo was so specific. If you don't write specifically for undo redo, you're gonna have a bad time. Did you check out Godot 4? I've checked out Godot 4 multiple times over the past few months, but I have not checked out the most recent alpha, no. I've not checked out the most recent alpha. That's tough. That's tough. I shouldn't have tried that dynamic lighting, glow illumination. The SFGI? Is it SFGI? SDGI? Something like that? It's neat, yeah. It's ray tracing for low-end GPUs. It doesn't really work on my thing, but I think it's because of OBS. This isn't gonna work how I thought it would work. I'm thinking. Because this needs to work as a plugin, I can't use class names. Or I can use class names, but it would more than likely break. If the class names can conflict with your project, since plugins exist in the same folder as, you know, your project. And then having too many classes also breaks things as well. It overloads Godot. Like I want to do something like this, where we, you know, I just create this thing. So we load last action data. Last action data is a reference since it needs to live for forever. This will give me back a reference. I also have OBS, but run Linux. So we'll share my experience when I try it. Nice. It should be roughly the same, I think. Like they all need to use the same graphics hook. Maybe. That might not be true. Yeah, I don't know. I've used OBS on Linux before, but never for like game capture. So these will never have a reference. That's tough. It's all right. We're just doing this via. This is not how you're supposed to do it. Hold on. Like I need like a generic enum, but I don't have any way of getting code completion for these. So my OBS is software render since NVenC tends to crash. Neat. I am mostly using the defaults for Windows, so I cannot comment. That's not how you do it. Alright, well, there we go. We have a duplicated enum just so we can avoid an auto load. That's not my favorite thing to do, but it works. Add type equals action type. Yeah. So I think that's something that I'll just need to. This is one gross part of the code. I don't really have a great solution for this either, besides just giving each last action data access to main. I don't think that's a good idea. I suppose I could. I could use a weak reference, but I don't see a. I guess you would only need. I would only need to use a weak reference if something seems to be living for too long. So add type, action type, and then we want to match on action type. Or I suppose it doesn't matter, right? And I'm realizing, yeah, I don't need to manually set this. Should not be manually set. Thanks for redeeming a hydrate right after I've emptied the whole bladder from all the coffee. Let's see. I think this is probably okay. I still need to match off of action type, right? Because it's no. I can just do this. Yeah. Just wrap all of this like that. Yeah, this is just a wrapper. Yeah, okay. Let's just make this a wrapper. I ain't a rapper though. Yeah, create last action. Static function, create last action data. Or create lad. Amazed by the absolute size of this lad. Yeah, so there's your last action data. And then, yeah, because this only fires when you click or unclick. Yeah, so if we click, if you did click, then we create a last action data, and then we fire into blit. So if we unclick, then it'll just be blit false. All right, cool. Cool. Keep that on screen. Here, this is where things start getting spicy. This will be last action data. Is it add blit? Add blit. Yes. And then we also need to check to see if drawing is active or not. So if we are drawing, or I guess if not drawing active, then we'll want to do what are we doing? We want to do add to undo redo. Yeah, add to undo redo. Add to undo redo. Add to undo redo. Hold on. So we'll want to do something and then return, right? To do. Let me just create a region for this as well. Big fan of this. I think I need to do this manually. I need to do this manually. I need to do this manually. No. This is tough. Or I can do... This is undo, redo. Intentionally left untyped. I want to match on action type. No, on just regular type. And that'll be one of these action type enums. So if it's a blit, which is the only one I've actually implemented, I guess we can have a weak ref. Hey, can you not do this? Oh, well. I using main for then? I'm using main for the logger. So this is a weak ref. So I get ref. How do I? What does weak ref do? Weak ref. Returns the ref. Object is repurposed for referring to. Okay. Please. Ah! Receiving a phone call. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Hello. Received a phone call. Apologies. Alright, so undo, redo. Undo, redo. I think this makes sense. This makes more sense than this undo, redo thing. Yeah. So give me one sec. Give this a save. We'll go back here. Go back to main, all the way to the top of the file. Get rid of undo, redo payload. That's all we need is last action data, I think. Then add to undo, redo, say goodbye. This is just the undo, redo part. So there's just, yeah. And then we'll have last action data handle all of the undo redo stuff. Don't need to do this. Yeah, so this is just static function. We pass in last action data. There's no reason to maintain a weak ref to main, I think. We could just maintain a regular reference to main. Because we don't want to create a new logger per last action data. And then since we have a reference to main, we can also do main, Let's see. Split from data. These are both public methods, actually. Congratulations, you've been promoted. Split from data, and then it needs to be lit data, isn't it? Yeah. I guess that'll work. Yeah, so then split from data, we'll just do this, which is like just the regular drawing. So yeah, I guess everything should be pre-calculated at this point, right? So when I blit stuff, yeah, so I've pre-blended everything. So that's new color data, old color data. So then split from data doesn't need to recalculate. We can just do for color in new color data. Is that what I called it? New color data? New color data? Yeah, new color data. So we pre-calculate and then just set each pixel. I don't have the vector. Okay. For blit in data, for I in blitz position data dot size. And then we'll do current layer base image set pixel v. It'll be blit position data I blit new color data I, something like that, Then this is the opposite, of course, because I'm storing the old color data. Wait, so how do I go backwards? How do I go backwards? I haven't really thought this through. So we don't draw direct to screen. We should be drawing somewhat direct to screen, I guess. That's kind of tough. It's like I need to draw direct to screen, but not really. I gotta think about that. Because what this is doing now. Oop. Hold on. Oop. Forgot to. There we go. So LAD or last action data. Last action data. Add to undo redo. Add to. Guess we don't need a node. We just need the undo redo. Actually, we don't even need the undo redo. This is just main undo redo. Because this all just exists on main. Ooh, don't. Should just work. Yep. Oh, okay, hold on. This might only work in the editor for now. Yeah. Okay, so that's suspect. But check that out. Ooh, look at that. It's jank, for sure. Yeah, so that's what is gonna work like right now. That's not the functionality I actually want to use though. I think I still want to draw directly to the screen, but I just need to I think I need to all I need to do is just store the old data, but then that's tough. How do I check for like if we're actually undoing? How do I check to see if we're actually like redoing? Like I feel like when I do like a regular action, when we do like a regular action, we should not use this. We just add the data. Yeah, okay. Wait, no. Are these virtual? Are undo, redo virtual? Redo the last action. Oh, absolutely not. Well, no. I'd use the restroom again, BRB. I'm back. Thinking. I feel like I need to... I need to do something with this version change signal. I need to do something with the version change signal. And so if we are or maybe it should be like a reblit. There's reblit and unblit, and then there's just a regular blit. So we'll blit directly to the image. We'll still blit directly to the image, but then we need to have reblit and unblit, which don't actually do anything. But then how does undo redo work then? Right, because the current problem is that because we're not drawing directly to the image, we're actually storing the blitz. So that works. It's weird, and it's like very vector art style almost. That's not what I want though. Maybe it needs to be like reblit, unblit. Reblit, unblit. Actually, how does this work? Where's the undo, redo, undo? Oh, I guess it does. there's no name attached to it. Undo, redo, but it's actually going to be or on commit. What does commit action do? Does it like actually run something? I don't want it to run something. Commit the action. All do methods properties are called set when this function is called. That doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Undo, redo. Undo, redo. Connect. Is it version changed? We'll just call it test. Test function. Just hit it with a quick test function at the top. I'm curious as to when this is called. Yeah, because this will not work as you think it might. I can undo, we can do this, bring it back, and then we're looking for the output. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's not really what I want. Godot's about to crash, I think, by the way. Because I think there's just a bunch. I think if I Control Z now, there's going to be some garbage. So print, undo, redo. Is committing action. So this should be like true or false. What does this give me? True. Okay, is committing action is probably what I want then. So, okay, so that's how I can do it. So what I can do is I can always draw directly to the canvas, but then on undo redo, yeah, I can just run a check to see if we're committing or not. So if we are committing, don't do anything. So blit from data, so we can do if undo redo is committing action. Just return. We don't want to commit an action. Or we don't want to run any of these. Or we don't want to run blit from data when we're committing action, I guess. So now here we'll want to just draw directly to the screen here. So we'll do, what did I call it? What did I call it? Current layer. I need a better way of drawing to the current layer as well, but we're getting to it. Current layer base image set pixel V. So this needs to be vec. So this is pix color, blend with primary color, sure. I'll call this old color. New color. Slap this in here. What is this? Primary color. Maybe this will work. So we'll always draw during blit. I feel like add to undo redo should be in main as well, but let's see how that works. Ooh, this isn't gonna work, by the way. This only works in the editor because I haven't written in the shim. Ooh, now it's broken. Blit data. Ooh. Oh, that is strange. Oh, it's because I'm not actually drawing. Or I need to display it. Okay. So we add blit to the last action data. Let's give it a try. So, oh, look at that. That's fairly fast. And then we can do undo. Ooh, that's wrong. Do this. I don't really know what these are. So I guess, oh, you know what? If I draw over it. Hey. All right, so I think I need to draw to the, yeah, so if you ever draw over yourself and then undo, that's not good. Interesting. I think here we can still do action type. Yeah, I'm gonna move all of this over to just the main function. It's better that way. Because we're already doing everything like here, right? All right. Blit, blit. That's fine. Transform data. So then this is now so I think I need to draw to a different layer. I need to draw to a different layer first. So in layer, we'll do, yeah, I'll need to draw to the pre-draw sprite instead of to the base sprite. So pre-draw sprite, pre-draw image. Yeah, so we'll draw to the pre-draw image, and then all of this will just occur here. And then once we commit, we'll do add to undo redo, and then current layer pre-draw commit, something like that. Yeah, I need to also do something like refresh. So we'll do like a func refresh pre-draw. So we'll do so this is pre-draw sprite. This needs to be pre-draw sprite, not pre-draw image. Pre-draw sprite texture. Yeah. Pre-draw sprite texture is equal to create texture. Create texture. Pre-draw image. And then flags, yeah, we'll just set it. Well, we set it equal to 0, which should be no bitmaps, which is good. Yeah, so refresh pre-draw. I think we can get rid of this then. Ooh, don't do that. Let's see. This will be current layer refresh pre-draw. I think that makes sense. And then there's pre-draw, or we'll do pre-draw refresh, just so that the naming scheme is the same. It's consistent. And then this one is like add to undo redo. Did I finish writing add to undo redo? I did. Okay. Logger error action type. Alright, then we'll add to undo redo. Add to undo redo. And then we'll commit, pre-draw commit. And then the idea is that we'll copy everything over to the base image. Yeah. So we'll always draw to the base image. Yeah. So this is, yeah, so we'll always get we'll pull the old color from the base image, but then we'll draw to the pre-draw image. Yeah. But then when we commit, we'll take everything, we'll take all the blit data and then draw it onto the, we'll draw it onto the base image. Yeah, and then we'll just need to clear the pre-draw image, fill, clear color. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And then we'll pre-draw, refresh. Yeah. Yeah. And then this one, I think here then we'll just blit from data directly. Oh, give it a save. Let's send it. Did we do anything we shouldn't have? No. Let's send it, dude. I don't know. Drawing, no. So we can't see it because we're getting some invalid output. Must be locked with lock before using set pixel. That's fair enough. Why is this not locked? Oh, it's because I never... Is it not locked? Wait, what? Image must be locked with lock before using set pixel. Set pixel. Are these not locked? Should I... This should have been locked. Ooh. So we create a new thingy. Or maybe I should lock all of these beforehand or afterwards, so everything should be locked at the very end. Or when do I unlock them? when do I ever unlock the images? I don't remember. I think this is okay. Let's send it. Ooh, sorry. Starting to get more error output still. Yeah, okay, that's not good. Image must be locked with lock before using set pixel. So I'm assuming it's just blit here, which is bad. So the pre-draw image is not locked. Pre-draw image is locked. Pretty sure. When do I unlock then relock the image? I don't remember. I know I had this working before. So if we go to friendly potato pixels here, add-ons, main. Blit. It's just not it. When do I unlock? Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. How do I am locking it, right, in ready, and then in get pixel V. Let's see, color, don't care about color. Give me just regular image. Let's see. Fills an image, yeah. I'm locking them, right? Lock. Yeah, there's lock. Locks the data for reading and writing access. Sends an error to the console if the image is not locked when reading or writing a pixel. That's fair enough. Maybe this needs to be locked here. Or, hold on. Clear. Enable. No errors. That doesn't seem right. Pre-draw refresh. Does fill? Do I need to like lock it and then relock it here? Is that what they're talking about? Pre-draw image. I don't know. Let's try like an unlock. And then relock it here. Maybe. I don't know what's going on now. We're just kind of grasping at straws. Oh, this is correct. Because I'm no longer getting the error whenever we refresh. What is this doing then? Create from image, base image. Create from image. Create a new texture, yeah. And then we set the sprite texture correctly. Pre-draw sprite. And then you don't need to lock anything either. What's the history? Or is there an easier way to see the diff? Like I need to see the blit. What did I do during blit? When do I blit? I know it. I had this working before I refactored to using layers. Yeah, so I don't want to look at the layers one. I want to look at before the layers refactor. So when we used to just draw directly to the image. Sprite texture get data. Sprite texture get data. That gives an image. It doesn't actually give like a pool byte array. Is that correct? Let's see. Get data gives you sprite texture. Get data gives you an image. Yeah. And then we lock it. Maybe this will work? So I'm just messing with the order constantly? No. Image must be locked before using set pixel. Eh. Send me again. Clear. Image must be locked before using set pixel. Where? Which one? Which image? There's multiple images I'm drawing to. Last action data, blit data. And then all these things just draw directly to the sprite. When would I ever unlock it, I suppose? Unlocks the data and prevents changes. Doesn't this mean I would want to... I'll do all of these and then I can lock them. Just lock them like right away. Something like that. Like basically I'll always want to like lock everything as fast as possible. Clear. Ah! Well, at least undo redo is working now, but now I'm not... Well, undo redo is working as expected. Yeah. But why am I not able to... Is it this part? Like I need to... I shouldn't be locking and unlocking like that. Oop. Target image must be locked with lock before using set pixel. It is locked. Ooh. I'm missing something. I'm missing something. Because it is locked. Before using set pixel. So if I get rid of this, right? Like, because right now the current thing is just throwing a million errors. Yeah. Clear. Alright, so if I don't do anything here. Interesting. Interesting. Am I accidentally creating a new image every time? I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't be duplicating the resource. Maybe I should be doing, I should just create a new image from the pre-draw image. Or actually, pre-draw image. Okay, pre-draw image, new. Let's try this. I think there's like a resource error, or I have no idea. I'm just guessing. I'm just guessing. We'll create from base image get, what is it? Get width, base image, get height, false, format, RGB8. That's fine. Still not drawing though, which is concerning. Oh, it's because of course. I knew that. Still getting a bunch of errors. So this is what I used to have. So pre-draw refresh, like it's locked. Do I need to lock these, like, or do I ever unlock it? I really hope I don't. I really hope I don't. Or maybe this needs to be like so. So I need to lock the base image. And then I can read from it. Is that how that works? Yeah, I didn't think that was how that worked. Please, I just need the draw to different images. I just need the draw to different images. Image. Unlock. Unlocks the data and prevents changes. What is lock? Locks the data for reading and writing access, sends an error to the console if the image is not locked when reading or writing a pixel. Do I need to do this in a different step? Or should I just do like I'm dying. Like it's locked. I'm just not able to draw to it for some reason. Like I can refresh it, no problem, because that's how I had this working before. So I blit the data, and I store a reference to the blit data as well. And I create the textures. Creating the textures doesn't matter. I guess I can read from it whenever I want. I'm also realizing that this is in the wrong order. Is it because it's not filled with anything? That would make me kind of mad. Okay, it's not that. Or is it because no, because it should be blended with the new color. I don't know. Just send me with the primary color. Maybe that's making a difference. Maybe it has been working. No. Or is it because... Oh, you know what? Please. I might be very sad if this is the reason why. I really hope this is not it. Oh my god, it's it. No! I just wasted like 30 minutes. It's because they were in the wrong order. So the blank white sprite was always displaying over the pre-draw. I'm a little mad. I'm a little mad. So we lock it. I don't think we need to lock it. Ooh, geez. Keyboard shortcuts. I don't know what I pressed there. Clear. Oh my god. Is it not locked? I thought it was locked. Or does it get unlocked after the first time? Alright, so now there's something that's unlocking it. I'm not sure what. When do I ever unlock? When do I ever unlock this? Like, do I need to lock it? Do I need to unlock it here during pre-draw refresh? So I'll do like pre-draw image unlock and then lock it, relock it here when we create the new texture. I don't think I need to do that. I might need to do that. I don't really know. I don't really know. There must be something that's locking it, but I'm not sure. There's something that's locking it without my permission. Or there's something that's unlocking it without my permission. One of these must like implicitly unlock it. Oh, well, there we go. You know what? It's probably Phil. You want to bet it's probably Phil that's implicitly unlocking it? Oh, never mind. Never mind. I thought I was onto something. So the first one is good. Then the second one, it breaks. So probably after... Oh, it's probably Phil. Phil is probably unlocking it. That's so dumb. Is that expected? It's not documented. I don't think it's documented. Is it documented that Phil will lock it? Fills the image with a given color. Well, Phil will unlock it. I think that's what's happening. So if I look at the Godot source, Godot 3.4, one is it's probably in core image. Got a fill. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Fill implicitly locks and then unlocks it. That's dumb. Should I? Maybe I shouldn't be using fill. Maybe I should just be using like clear. Is there a clear? Is there a clear? Clear emit maps. That's not really what I want. How do I? Is there a way for me to just destroy? I guess not. I guess I can also just use copy from. Oh, like that'll work as well, right? But I see. It's whenever I call fill, we need to relock it. Redraw. Which is a bit weird. Yeah, because the... Yeah, that is so... That's annoying, man. That's annoying. Why would this at least not be mentioned? Maybe I should... Well, actually, a lot of these like implicitly lock and then unlock it for you. I guess that's okay. It's not documented, which is annoying. But this'll work. This'll work. I got it. Boom, boom. Let's use this fancy new copy from as well. So pre-draw image. Copy from. Or actually, I wonder if we can just duplicate it now. Now that I know what's going on. So boom, boom. Oh. Non-existent function. Fill in nil. Hey. Oh, I didn't didn't actually duplicate it. All right, beautiful. Look at that. Now we have real working undo redo. Look at that. That's super sick. Look at that. And now we can also just, you know, go into an absolute travesty of a sprite like this. We can make some changes to it. Undo. Undo. Undo, undo. But then that's it. That's pretty cool. I think we can redo like that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so now we can draw, draw, draw. I don't know what I'm doing. But then undo, undo, undo. Just what a pain. So I can do this. Wait, no, I can do this. Save. What happens if I go to icon? Go back to this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. What happens if I redo on the icon though? Oh. Oh no. So this has the possibility of, like, if I draw on, oh. That's kind of cool, but also probably not expected. So undo redo also works, doesn't work across images because of how I made it work. So how it actually works is that it stores the underlying pixels and then the new pixels and then just applies it to the image. So then to undo, it takes the old pixels and just puts them back onto the image. It's not the most robust undo redo system you've ever seen. It's not the worst. Oh, okay. I gotta. What time is it? Yeah, I gotta go. All right, I'll be live later on today for my normal time, 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern time, working on cleaning this up. But I mean, check this out. I mean, everything works. Like revert. Oh, revert is now broken. That's fine. Ignore that. But we can create new images, blah blah. Then we can save the image if you want. Oh, this is broken as well. Oh no, the icon. Icon's broken. All right, lots of things are broken. That's all right. I think create new image. Oh, I see what I need to do. Create new image needs to clear the current file. Give me 1 sec. I can fix this really quick. I can fix it. So new file dialog. Let's see, that's in main. New file. New file confirmed. We'll create a new thing. What is this image for? I guess I don't actually need to create a new image here, but I do need to do save util. I think it's current file path. Current file path. Current file path is equal to just empty. Right. So then if I re-enable this, boom, boom, switch to icon. Oh, icon's been absolutely destroyed. Click on new, save, and then we'll get the new save file pop up. Okay, cool. Neat. Let's push everything. I finally got undo redo working, which is really cool. Also, we can get restore icon. So undo, redo, working, kinda. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Much quieter stream today. That's all right. I'll be live later on today from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern time, working on this again since the jam, the Godot Add-on Jam, is starting to come to a close in 16 hours. So I'm very close to being done though. If you haven't given the channel a follow already, I highly encourage you to do so. I stream Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern time, and on Wednesdays from 9 to 11 p.m. Eastern time. There's a Discord. There's a GitHub where you can find all the software I usually work on. Like, not this one. Well, technically this one is not open source because it's just an animation. The stream tool, open source. This thing, also open source. You can find that all on my profile. Yeah. Later. Goodbye. I gotta go.